accommodation. Heart Heart, Gwenny. Dinagyan mo ba?
For this museum.
Thank you for this. Wait, kinaya.
Ay, ang ganda ng Jesus Forever.
Oh.
Saan mo ngayon?
Dito na lang. Pwede mo na make it higher.
Higher in the heights,
In the sky, in the sky.
memories. Memories of ay, ganda yan pala.
Hindi na.
Cheers! So, okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Di ba may kakainin tayo? Kiss, kiss!
I'll be waiting for you. Here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love you more. And you will see.
He went into all of Galilee, preaching in their synagogues and driving out demons. Then a man with leprosy came to him, and on his knees begged him, "If you are willing, you can make me clean." Moved with compassion, Jesus reached out his hand and touched him. "I am willing," he told him. "Be made clean." Immediately the leprosy left him, and he was made clean. Then he sternly warned him and sent him away at once, telling him, "See that you say nothing to anyone, but go and show yourself to the priest and offer what Moses commanded for your cleansing as a testimony to them." Yet he went out and began to proclaim it widely for foreigners. Therefore that field has been called Field of Blood to this day. Then what was spoken through the prophet Jeremiah was fulfilled. They took the 30 pieces of silver, the price of him whose price was set by the Israelites, and they gave them for the potter's field, as the Lord directed me. Now Jesus stood before the governor. "Are you the king of the Jews?" the governor asked him. Jesus answered, "You say so." While he was being accused by the chief priests and elders, he didn't answer. Then Pilate said to him, "Don't you hear how much they are testifying against you?"
No na! Sorry po, emotional ako.
Picture natin.
Sige.
Story ko.
Sige. Say hi! Ano po yan? Ako. Tagay mo na yan. Imperador. Shot, shot.
Take pa lang.
Yung yun, na ano sana yun.
Mabigay.
Na nandiyan, ang ganda mo naman yung yun. Yung yun, pakyat nga po. Yung yun.
Kaya mo na yun ka.
Ang laki mo ninyo, guys.
Kasi mapera nga sa Saudi. Hindi naman mas mataas pa yung isang tao.
siya porket meron na siya ng hair oil. Hair oil. Let's be like Claudine ko. But this is my own money, not taxpayers' money.
Wow. Yan na.
This is my own.
I like your hair ngayon.
Really?
Ay!
Look at
Ay, ang ganda, te.
It's so pretty, but where's the charger?
Wala tang charger yan, ah.
Gaga, walang charger? Thank you! Thank you, Shopee!
Shopee!
Thank you so much, Shopee, for sponsoring my...
Ayan yung charger nyo, type C.
Where?
Sa baba. Ayan o, yung port, type C.
Doesn't have.
Open mo nga dyan. Yan yung box na malaki ata.
Ito.
Ah.
Yeah, goddamn, she got a but she don't want. She hit me up like, but she just wanna keep it on the low, low, low. Only call.
Bakit mo ako pinapunta dito?
Kasi mahal kita. Kailangan nakikita tayo.
Ay, may miss mo na ako?
Sobra. Hello. This is nice. This is nice. Strawberry. Ulit na masarap siya, girl. No?
It's not working the first time.
Sinatawanan niya po ako. Hindi siya, ang dami-dami po niyang dala. Pinatawanan niya po yung dala ko. Ano ka ba? At chikis ko yan. Yan po siya, yan po siya. Ano sa akin? Okay naman. Okay naman yung sa akin. Wow. Bakit? Why is it raw chicken? Gaga. Hawak niya po raw chicken. I will video too. Video. Okay.
Pinatawanan niya. At chicks ko nga yan eh.
Pag yan nalaglag.
Raw files.
Raw files. Gaga.
Si Pang!
Sige na, bye-bye. Yan po yung ano.
Yung
Bye.
talaga yung ano. Ako din, sasama ako.
Gagi.